In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the price book in Zoho CRM. Managing your pricing structures efficiently is crucial to your business's success, and Zoho CRM offers a dynamic price books feature that can help you do just that. So, let's dive right into how you can set up and make the most of price books in your CRM. To get started, navigate to the Price Books module within your Zoho CRM. Once there, you'll want to kick things off by creating a new price book. You can do this by clicking on the New Price Book button. Now, you'll be faced with a few fields to fill in, so let's go through these together. The first field is the name, which is required. Think of a name that best describes the pricing group you're working with. This is what will help you easily identify and differentiate between your price books later on. Next, you'll see the owner field. By default, the owner is set to the creator of the price book. However, don't worry if you'd like to assign it to someone else. You can change this to reflect the appropriate person or department handling these pricing details. Moving on, there's the active option. This is where you can toggle whether the price book is currently enabled or disabled. It's a great feature for managing seasonal or limited-time pricing strategies. While it's not mandatory, the description field is there for any additional notes or details you feel are necessary. Detailing this field could be helpful for providing context to others who might view or use this price book later on. Then, we have the pricing model. You'll see a few options here: none, flat, or differential. Depending on the complexity of your business's pricing needs, you'll select the one that fits best. If you opt for either flat or differential pricing, you will need to define the specific discount ranges. For instance, you might offer a 10% discount on purchases of 1 to 10 units, and then increase to a 15% discount for 11 to 50 units. These tiers can help incentivize higher volume purchases, adding a nice layer of flexibility to your sales strategy. Once you have all those details entered, simply hit the Save button to preserve your new price book. Alternatively, if you're looking to replicate an existing structure, the clone option is a handy feature to duplicate an already existing price book setup, saving time and ensuring consistency. Next, let's associate products and set their prices. Start by opening the price book record you've just created. Under the Products Related list, locate and click on Add Product. Here you'll select the products that you want to include in this price book. Be sure to enter the list price for each product as per the pricing strategy you're planning to employ. Once you've entered all the necessary information, add these products to your price book. And there you have it, a seamless process to manage your pricing structures with Zoho CRM. By using price books effectively, you'll have greater control over your pricing strategies, enhancing your ability to meet the needs of your customers while keeping a watchful eye on profit margins. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.